Well, Apple stocks have taken a big hit as the company reveals its revenue outlook. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more on this. So, Tyler, this is a bit of a first for Apple.
Yeah, it's been nearly 20 years since Apple has had to readjust its revenue outlook. So it was originally pegged at between $89 and $93 billion for the latest quarter, and it's going to go down to $84 billion. These are U.S. numbers. Signals a really tough holiday quarter for Apple amidst an ongoing trade war between China and the United States. Apple is pointing to lower sales of its iPhone in China as the main culprit for its lower revenue outlook. And also consider the fact that the Chinese economy is showing signs of slowing down as well. And demand for the new and much more expensive iPhones, they really have not taken off in Western countries either. So we saw that yesterday they were trading as high as $159 US. This morning, not so great. They're down at $143.50 US. So that was signaling they haven't made much of a recovery since yesterday when their stocks plummeted 8.5%.
All right. And a sad day for Nordstrom yesterday.
Yeah, Blake Nordstrom, he was essentially the face of the retail giant for much of the 2000s, and he passed away very suddenly at age just 58. This comes after being diagnosed with lymphoma last month. He said at the time he believed that the cancer would be treatable and he'd continue working while seeking treatment. So it's all a very sudden passing. And like most retail giants, the company had seen its struggles over the past decade, and I think that Blake Nordstrom might best well be remembered for his efforts to take the company public, or I should say private, back in 2017. It was ultimately unsuccessful. Right now, Nordstrom says that the company will continue to be managed by his brothers. They are serving as co-presidents along with, at the time, Blake Nordstrom. So Eric and Peter Nordstrom will now kind of assume the mantle from their brother at this point.
All right, we shall see what happens. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver today. Thank you very much, Tyler.
Thank you, Sonia.